Hello everyone. In today's class, we shall discuss an editorial letter. You know that letter is very important, and in every class, especially in 10th standard, 11th standard and 12th standard, it is very important. We write editorial letter on different subjects. Here in today's class, we shall discuss the editorial letter on the effects of cyber crimes on children. You know that cybercrime is very common. Cybercrime is related to actually different types of crimes on digital technology. Actually, through computer, different types of crimes can be committed and are committed nowadays, like bullying on computer. Bullying means torture or threatening through online channel, or stealing of money, or frauding other people through online channel. This type of criminal activities are called the cyber crimes, and children nowadays are being tempted to commit cyber crimes. The rest contents we shall discuss in our later. Those who are new to our channel, we are requesting them to subscribe this channel so that they can get such important notifications of English writing, grammar, and other contents. Now, let's start the editorial letter. Actually, in our letter, we shall discuss these main points. Number one, cyberbullying. Cyberbullying is a threatening or a threat through online channel. Children are threatened through online channel by many people, by many adults in many ways. So these are called cyberbullying. Actually, cyberbullying is being tortured or being threatened through online channel. Inappropriate content. Inappropriate content means children are being tempted to see different types of inappropriate or bad contents, and they are also being tempted to post many types of bad contents or inappropriate contents in different channels or pages, etc. Number three is lack of online safety measures. This is also true that there is a lack of online safety measures, and that is why, without thinking anything, the children are being tempted to use such bad contents or illegal contents, and they are also using online technology, online channels without thinking. And number four is creation of crime motive among children. This is also true because nowadays a crime motive is being created among children. Children are being tempted or being interested in taking part in many types of illegal games, many types of illegal video games, and in order to play such games they have to invest money, and they are being tempted to steal money or to collect money by any means, by any illegal means from their house. So this is the creation of the crime motive among the children. This is also a major or bad effect among the children. Now we shall go to the letter. This is the starting of the letter. We know the starting of an editorial letter is like this: to the editor, then the name of the newspaper, the telegraph, then the address of the newspaper, the office, 6 Popular Circus Street, Kolkata 7 lakh 1. This is the address of this newspaper, this telegraph newspaper. Okay, and after this we have to give a subject. Here subject is given: effects of cybercrime on children. This is the subject, and this is to be written at the middle of the page. Now we are going to the main body of the letter. Actually, we shall write the letter in 3 parts. Okay, in 3 parts in total. The first paragraph is the starting paragraph, and then the second paragraph is the main paragraph. The main theme will be there, and the third paragraph is the last paragraph. So this is the first paragraph of the letter. Respected sir or ma'am, we have to write like this. Then we're starting this first paragraph. Through the columns of your esteemed daily, I would like to express my concern over the negative effects of cybercrime, especially on children in our society. This is the first paragraph. Okay, and here we have told the main theme through the columns of your esteemed daily means through the columns of your newspaper. Esteemed daily means here the newspaper. The newspaper is mentioned here. I'd like to express my concern over the negative effects of cybercrime. This is the main theme, and this is told here in the first paragraph. And after this will be written in the second paragraph. From here, this will be in the second paragraph. In the present days, many of the children in our society are affected by cyberbullying, and through such bullying and threat, many of them have been sick mentally. So we are highlighting here that through cyberbullying, I have already told you that cyberbullying is a torture, is a threatening, or is a fear that is created by other people in the minds of children. Children are threatened online by the other people, and this is called cyberbullying. So the children are being mentally sick nowadays due to the reason of such cyberbullying or threatening. Even many of the children are attempting to commit suicide because of fear of such cyberbullying. This is also true that due to the reason of such cyberbullying, many of the children are trying to commit suicide nowadays. And this is also a major concern in our society. This is also a major concern for the parents of these children who are the victims. Then, in addition to that, children are being tempted to invest in many illegal online games, and thus they are forming a criminal mentality and attitude from their childhood. This is also a major concern that children are being tempted, they are being interested in taking part in many online illegal video games, and that is why they are collecting money by any means, by stealing or by any other means, any other illegal means from their house. Thus, a criminal mentality is being created in the minds of the children. They are tempted to collect money by any illegal means from their house. Furthermore, lack of digital knowledge and online safety measures are driving children to the risk area of cybercrimes. There is no such safety measures or no such hard and fast rules to use the online technology, and that is why, without any burden, children are using the digital technology, and that is why they are falling into traps. There is lack of attention from their guardians on the one hand, and also lack of strict regulations and punishment. There are lack from the both sides. On the one hand, the guardians are not so very serious, and that is why they are not paying attention to their children, and also there is no strict government rules to bar the children from using such computers or such online technology, and that is why the children are falling into traps. Now, this is the last paragraph, or this is the third paragraph, and here we should close the matter with politeness to the editor. Therefore, I'd request you to publish the matter in your esteemed daily so that the government can be aware of the fact and impose some strict measures for digital use. Here we are appealing to the editor through our request, and we are requesting him to publish this matter in his esteemed daily. Esteemed daily means, I have already told you, esteemed daily means the newspaper. We are requesting the editor to express this matter in his newspaper so that the government can impose some strict measures for the digital use, and through some strict measures the children can be protected, can be barred from using the computer or online technology. Furthermore, the guardians of the victim children can also be aware and can guide their children on digital use. If this matter is published in the newspaper, then the guardians of the children will read this information, read this, and they can be aware of such fact, and they can make their children aware regarding the use of digital technology or their computer. Lastly, we're writing thanking you, yours faithfully, and then here the writer will write his name, his or her name of the writer, and then the writer will write his or her address here. So this is the closing of the sentence, and we have to write an editorial later politely in the 3 paragraphs mainly. We request you to write a comment or request us for such writing, for such important writing for your school and college studies. Thank you for watching the video, and we shall meet in the next video.